Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to announce my Black Friday special for you guys as Etsy sellers. So if you want to know what my special will be, make sure that you watch till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow a successful Etsy business, make sure that you subscribe to my channel today. I do upload weekly videos to help you grow an impactful Etsy business. So don't forget to subscribe today, to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below introducing yourself. So let's go ahead and dive in. So for Black Friday, what I'm doing is I'm doing 50% off my Etsy shop critique. So normally when you buy the critique, it costs $100. That's how much I charge. And you receive a video critique of your store. The video critique is unlisted, which means that no one else could watch it on YouTube except for yourself. So you will get a link, you will click on it, you'll be able to watch it. It will stay there forever. You can watch it at any given moment. It's usually about 45 to 60 minutes long. And you will be the only one having access to your own video. Now, with the Etsy shop critique, I really go into details about your store, and you could read more about it here. I'll cover some right now. So for today only till Friday, Black Friday, you will get it for $50. It usually costs $100. And what you're going to get is, I'm going to cover on the video product photography. I'm going to cover how to use call to actions to increase your click-through rate. I'm going to talk about your Etsy titles, your Etsy listing descriptions, your Etsy meta description, your Etsy tags. I'm going to show you SEO on-page factors are really important. I'm going to also talk about SEO off-page factors are very important. I'm going to talk about how to optimize your Etsy store, how to optimize your listings, branding tips. I'm going to talk about the curation of your shop, how to target your ideal customer, how to use long tail keywords. I'm going to talk about the different types of tags that you could use, the difference between competitive tags, broad, long term, and CPC. And I'm also going to talk about a lot more than that. I'm going to go over your whole entire store, basically. So if you want to get this critique, all you have to do is I will leave the link to the critique in the comment section and below the video on the text box description. All you have to do is make sure that you buy it before Friday or by Friday the latest. Make sure you buy it, message me your actual Etsy store, and I will get started on the video as soon as possible. So guys, make sure that you jump on this, especially if you need to do some changes to your Etsy store, if you're struggling with your sales, if you have a hard time finding your target audience, or just need a strategy in place to take your shop to the next level for 2020. So make sure you get your review today. Let me know in the comment section if you do have any additional questions about the Etsy shop critique. I'll be more than happy to go ahead and answer those questions. And thanks again, everyone, for your amazing encouragement and support on my channel. I really, really appreciate it. And this is why I'm doing this Etsy shop critique at 50% off for you guys. Thank you guys again. Have a wonderful day.